Welcome to the 2026 RSGR Q&A. A lot has happened since we did the last one. Games reached almost 400,000 visits, and we've gotten to a position we could have never envisioned 3 years back. So thank you to everyone for playing over these 3 years, and of course to our question submitters. Without further ado, let's check out the questions we have had submitted from our Discord server. Thomas_views BTP says, how many new trains are there in total? Well, Thomas, there are 12 new trains coming in the next update. HDTR 4567_89640 says, how many rail classes are you thinking of adding in the future? Well, I can't really give you a definitive answer for that question because the answer always changes from update to update. But right now we've got 11 trains that are very likely to come to RSGR. Of course, no promises, but that's all I'll say. Mig_13 asks, are the testers just premium members like on RSR, or are they actually staff? Absolutely, you guys are just privileged and get to test the new updates. Wendy Darling asks, what is the team's favorite Class 73? The team's favorite Class 73 is 73961 Allison. The Great Ostrich Egg says, when will the game be cancelled? Whenever the entire dev team comes crumbling down. The Lazy King class asks, will my profile picture be added back to the game, or maybe the train that was just my profile picture? No!
Right, Ethan Endgame Mate has said, when Class 350? To which, all I'm going to say is probably at some point, seeing as I have made a 350 before. I will probably do a much better job. I'll probably steal the roof from it in all honesty, because the roof I did was quite detailed. But eventually, yeah, I think I might do a 350 for RSGR. But I can't confirm that it will be anytime soon. Next question for me will be from LNER Modeler. Will there be any more variety of pre-1948 coaches, for example, four-wheel coaches, vintage express coaches, etc.? To cut a long story short, yes, but again, like with the 350, not anytime soon, because trying to find diagrams for such coaches is painful, and also I got other stuff to deal with outside of RSGR, so that kind of I have to factor in that. And finally, from me, well, not from me, final question that I'll be answering, which is from DB Danny 1. Will the 175 come to RSGR at all? It is my favourite train and I'd like to see it in the game. I can't say. If I make it, sure. If not, well, I'll probably have to be forced to do it if we ever add a 180 or something similar. Actually, considering Light 5 has hydraulic engines and that's kind of been hinted at in the game already, well, there we go. I might do it when we add that. But, as I said, all of the questions I've just answered, I can't guarantee that it will be this update, or the next update, or the update after that. It will be much later. That's all from me.
that was all the questions we are answering this time. We hope you enjoyed our new approach to Q&A events. Once again, thank you for almost 400,000 visits and for playing over these 3 years. We couldn't have done it without you. For the clip.